So at the end, you end up with this beautiful deck like this. This is going to add a ton of square footage to our house. Basically, the process is that we have our old floor joists right there inside the house that we are sistering our new floor joists to. That's our one load-bearing wall there. And then that is spanning to our load-bearing wall outside that we did out of our ICF foundation. And then over there, we have a column. We have this opening there because eventually there's going to be a cool space underneath there that we don't want to feel boxed in. Then to span that gap between our ICF foundation and our column, we used a PSL beam. It's an extremely strong piece of wood that we also laminated with an LVL beam to make it even stronger. And we have that on both sides. Next on our agenda is trying to figure out what we're going to do with the old house and then the new addition, how to merge them together and make them fit as if they belong together from the get-go. That's why we left off this last row of plywood, because I want to make sure that once we demo this area out, this plywood will overlap the old floor joist in order to make that entire thing just kind of connected better. Plywood is one of the strongest building materials that you could have, and that's why when you have the old floor joist and the new floor joist, you want to make sure that it just spans that with a bunch of glue and you just nail it together. So if you want to see how to open this up, also how to do a vaulted ceiling in here, and then do all the outside walls with this massive window wall that we're going to do here, make sure to hit follow and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos, and then I'll see you on the next one.